What you doing? What do you think you're doing? You gonna try to get up? No, that's my drink. I put it down because I didn't see you. Had to be able to move. You gotta dance. Gotta do the Athena dance. Your Grampy upstairs? Yeah, he's putting in a new sink. No, you don't get my drink. It's just flavored water, but you're not getting it anyway. There, all gone. I'm trying to mess with the glass now. Where are you going? You gonna try to climb? You've climbed up before. No, you're not gonna get under there. What would you do under the couch? I want to hear you answer that sometime. What would you do under the couch? You go sway? You go dance? Because there's not much room under there for you to do any of that. You silly bird. Oh, yeah, you kind of keep dancing, huh? Dancing, son. You are such a silly bird. Come on. I'm going to sit up. Come on. Oh, of course. You want to explain that to me? You want to explain why there's birdie poop on the floor? You want to tell me why? My goodness, she's just getting into an area where it's too dark. Come on. And see, in person, there's plenty of light here. You want to be silly? You want to tell Mommy all about it? You want to tell Mommy all about it? Ow. Just go scratch your head. Just go scratch your head. Oh, come on. You love having us scratch your head. You love that. You're so weird.